नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, दिनेश के मॅथ अकादमी या चॅनलमध्ये आपले स्वागत आहे। आज आपण सिमिलॅरिटी या चॅप्टरमधील थेरम पाहणार आहोत, एरिया ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल थेरम। त्या अगोदर दिनेश के मॅथ अकादमी हे चॅनल तुम्ही सबस्क्राइब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राइब करा, जेणेकरून नवनवीन व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला पाहता येईल। तर मग सुरू करूया। थेरम ऑफ एरिया ऑफ सिमिलर ट्रायंगल्स। थेरम: when two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of those triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of area of those triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. AD is a perpendicular to BC and PQ is a perpendicular to PS. Given in a triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Two triangles are similar, means triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Segment AD perpendicular to side BC. Segment AD perpendicular to side BC. Segment PS perpendicular to side QR. Given to prove area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to area of triangle PQR. Ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides, means AB square divided by PQ square is equal to BC square divided by QR square is equal to AC square divided by PR square. Ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Proof: triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Given ABC similar triangle PQR means AB divided by PQ is equal to AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR. BC divided by QR. Equation number 1. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. In a triangle ABD and a triangle PQS. In a triangle ABD and a triangle PQS, angle B congruent angle Q, angle ADB congruent angle PSQ, each 90 degree. Means triangle ABD similar triangle PQS by AA test. AB divided by PQ is equal to AD divided by PS. AB divided by PQ is equal to AD divided by PS. Equation number 2. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. From equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and equation 2. AB divided by PQ is same, left hand side same, means right hand side same. AB divided by PQ is equal to BC divided by QR is equal to AD divided by PS. Equation number 3. Equation number 3. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to area of triangle ABC is equal to divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to ratio of area of two triangles is equal to the ratio of product of their corresponding base and height. Area of triangle ABC means base BC into height AD divided by PQR base QR into height PS is equal to BC into AD means BC from equation 3 divided by QR into QR means PS means QR. BC into BC means BC square divided by QR into QR means QR square. Means area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to BC square divided by QR square. Similarly, AB square divided by PQ square. AB square divided by PQ square is equal to BC square divided by QR square is equal to AC square divided by PR square. AC square divided by PR square. AC square divided by PR square. Practice set 1.4. Example number 1. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangles is 3:5. Then the ratio of their areas. Ratio of sides is 3:5. The ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is 3:5. Then find the ratio of their areas. Solution. Let S1 and S2 be the sides of two similar triangles and their areas be S1 and S2. And their areas be A1 and A2. Area of first triangle A1, area of second triangle A2. Ratio of sides S1 is to S2 is equal to 3:5. Means A1 divided by A2 is equal to S1 square divided by S2 square. Area of two similar triangle theorem. A1 divided by A2 is equal to value of S1 is 3 square divided by value of S2 is 5 square. 3 square 9, 5 square 25. Means A1 is to A2 is equal to 9 is to 25. Ratio of area of two triangles is equal to 9 is to 25. Practice set 1.4. Example number 2. If triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR and AB is to PQ is equal to 2:3, then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to AB square divided by AB square means PQ square AB square means first and second point, PQ square means first and second point, PQ square. Value of AB is 2 means 2 square. Value of PQ is 3 means 3 square. 2 square 4, 3 square 9. 3 square 9. Example number 3. If triangle ABC is similar triangle PQR, area of triangle ABC is equal to 80. Area of triangle PQR is equal to 125. Then fill in the blanks. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to, area of triangle ABC means 80, area of triangle PQR means 125. 80 means 16 into 5 divided by 125 means 25 into 5. 5 we get cancel means 16 divided by 25. Area of similar triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding sides. Square of corresponding sides means AB square divided by PQ square. Area of two similar triangle is equal to ratio of square of their corresponding sides. AB square divided by PQ square is equal to 16 divided by 25. Square root 16 means 4. Square root 25 means 5. AB divided by PQ is equal to 4 divided by 5. This is final answer. This is final. Practice set 1.4. Example number 4. In a triangle LMN, similar triangle PQR, 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. If QR is equal to 20, then find MN. Solution: 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN. Given 9 into area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 into area of triangle LMN given. 9 multiply 16 change the side divides is equal to area of triangle LMN divided by multiply triangle PQR change the side divide means area of triangle PQR. Equation number 1. Triangle LMN similar triangle PQR given. Triangle LMN similar triangle PQR means MN square divided by QR square is equal to area of triangle LMN divided by area of triangle PQR by area of two similar triangle theorem. Area of two similar triangle theorem. MN square divided by QR square is equal to area of triangle LMN divided by area of triangle PQR is equal to 9 divided by 16 from equation 1. 9 divided by 16 from equation 1. Square root both side. Square root both side. Square root both side means MN divided by QR is equal to square root 16 is square root 9 divided by 16 means 9 square root 3, 16 square root 4. MN divided by QR, value of QR is 20 is equal to 3 divided by 4 means MN is equal to multiply 20 change the side Divide 20, change the side, multiply, means 3 divided by 20 in 3 divided by 4 into 20. 20 divided by 4 means 5, means mn is equal to 3 into 5, means mn is equal to 15. This is final answer. Practice set 1.4, example number 5. Area of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 81 square centimeter. If a side of a smaller triangle is 12 centimeter, then find the side of bigger triangle. Suppose, means let triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. Triangle ABC is bigger triangle and triangle PQR is smaller triangle. Area of triangle ABC is equal to 225. Area of triangle PQR, area of smaller triangle is 81 square centimeter. Area of bigger triangle ABC is equal to 225 square centimeter. Side of smaller triangle PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Side of smaller triangle PQ is equal to 12 centimeter. Find the side of bigger triangle. Means triangle ABC similar triangle PQR, means AB square divided by PQ square is equal to area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle PQR by area of similar triangle theorem. Area of similar triangle theorem. AB square divided by PQ square is equal to area of triangle ABC 225 divided by area of triangle PQR 81. AB square divided by PQ square is equal to 225 divided by 81. Square root both side. Square root both side means AB divided by PQ is equal to square root 225 divided by 81. AB divided by value of PQ is 12. Value of PQ is 12 centimeter is equal to square root of 225 means 15 divided by square root 81 means 9. 15 divided by 3 means 5. 9 divided by 3 means 3. 15 divided by 3 means 5. 9 divided by 3 means 3. Means AB divided by AB divided by 12 is equal to 5 divided by 3. Means AB is equal to 5 divided by 3 into multiply 12, change the side, divide 12, change the side, multiply, means 12 divided by 3 means 4. AB is equal to 5 into 4. 5 into 4 means 20. Value of AB is equal to 20 centimeter. Side of bigger triangle. Side of the bigger triangle is equal to 20 centimeter. Side of bigger triangle is equal to 20 centimeter. Practice set 1.4. Example number 6. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangles. If area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle DEF is equal to 1:2 and AB is equal to 4, find DE. Solution: triangle ABC and triangle DEF are equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle or equilateral triangle means triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Equilateral triangles are similar. Area of triangle ABC divided by area of triangle DEF. If two triangles are equal, if two triangles are similar, then ratio of area of two triangle is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides. Means AB square divided by DE square by area of similar triangle theorem. By area of similar triangle theorem. Area of similar triangle is equal to ratio of area of similar triangle is equal to ratio of their corresponding square of their corresponding sides. Area of triangle ABC divided by DEF 1:2 1:2 is equal to value of AB is 4 means 4 square divided by DE square. Divided by DE square, change the side, multiply means DE square is equal to 4 square 16 into 2 divided by 2, change the side, multiply whole divided by 1 means is equal to square root both sides means DE is equal to square root 16 into 2. Square root both sides means DE is equal to 16 square 4 square root 2. DE is equal to 16 into square root 16 into 2 means square root 16 means 4 into square root 2. DE is equal to 4 into square root 2. Practice set 1.4. Example number 7. In figure, segment PQ parallel to DE. Segment PQ parallel to DE. Area of triangle PQF is 20 unit. PF is equal to 2 into DP. PF is equal to 2 into DP. Then find area of quadrilateral DPQE. Then find area of quadrilateral DPQE by completing the following activities. Area of triangle PQF is equal to 20 unit. PF is equal to 2 into DP. PF is equal to 2 into DP. Let us assume DP is equal to X. PF is equal to 2 into DP means 2 into X means 2X. DF is equal to DP plus PF. DP plus PF. Value of DP is X. Value of PF is 2X. 1x 2x means 3x. 1x 2x means 3x. In a triangle FDE and a triangle FPQ, angle FDE, congruent angle FPQ, corresponding angle FPQ, corresponding angle. Angle FED FED congruent angle FQP corresponding angle means triangle FDE similar triangle FPQ by AA is. Ratio of area of two similar triangles is equal to the ratio of square of their corresponding sides, means area of triangle FDE divided by area of triangle FPQ is equal to FD square divided by FP square. Value of FD is 3x, means 3x square. Value of PF is equal to 2x, means 2x square. 3 square 9, 2 square 4, x square get cancelled, 9 divided by 4. Area of triangle FDE is equal to 9 divided by 4 into area of triangle FPQ. 9 divided by 4 into area of triangle FPQ is 20, means 9 divided by 4 into 20. 20 divided by 4 means 5 is equal to 9 into 5 is equal to 45, means 20 divided by 4 means 5, 9 into 5 means 45. Area of quadrilateral DPQE is equal to area of triangle FDE subtract area of triangle FPQ. Area of triangle FDE is 45 minus area of triangle FPQ is 20 given. 45 subtract 20 means 25. Area of quadrilateral DPQE 25.